everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart inquiries for newspaper advertising agencies. So let's suppose I am an owner of a newspaper advertising agency and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMart. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead or the new inquiry, I should automatically send WhatsApp message to that lead or the inquiry. Now doing this manually will be a very tedious and a time consuming task, so I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMart and Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is a newly launched application of Pabbly which helps us create efficient communication between businesses and customers via WhatsApp message. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new lead or the inquiry in my IndiaMart, a WhatsApp message will be automatically sent to that lead or the inquiry. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart leads and inquiries for newspaper advertising agencies. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMart and Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMart leads and inquiries for newspaper advertising agencies, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMart automations and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMart leads and inquiries, which means whenever I will receive a new lead or the new IndiaMart inquiry, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead or the inquiry, which means whenever I will receive new lead or the new inquiry, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I receive new lead or the new inquiry in my IndiaMart and then action says do this, then send WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to use IndiaMart. And then in my trigger event, I have to take this new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMart with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my IndiaMart account. So this is my IndiaMart account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMart. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this lead manager, and then I have to go to this three dots, from where I'm going to click on this import export leads and then click on this push API. Now under this push API integration, I have to select the source, and in this drop down I can find all the sources. Here I want to select this as other, and then I have to enter the CRM platform name and then the webhook listener URL. So my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect, and I will enter that, and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to click on the save details. Now I need to select the reason that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMart, and in this drop down I can find all the reasons. Here you can select your reason according to your choice and preference. I want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance, and then I have to click on this click to generate OTP. Here I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow here in IndiaMart. And now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. If I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here in this workflow, I need to do a submission or the test submission so that the lead inquiry or the lead details is sent to my workflow. Now if Pabbly Connect captured that details here in this workflow, this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart, that is successful. So here I will open my IndiaMart, and over here I can see this test your webhook listener URL. So I'm going to click on this. Now over here I am provided with this option of test, and when I click on this test, a test lead detail will be sent to my workflow. And if I receive that detail in my workflow, this means this connection setup is fine and I have successfully added the webhook URL which I was provided in that workflow here in IndiaMart. So I'm going to click on this test, and as soon as I do that, the test lead detail should be sent to my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and now if I scroll down, I can see that I have instantly received the response. The status is success, then I have received the response subject requirement for empty mineral water bottle. Then I have received the state as Uttar Pradesh, and then the phone number as this one. Then I have received the sender name which is Prabhat. And then I have received the email address. The company name is ABC Private Limited, city is Noida, address is Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and then the product name is mineral water bottle. And I have also received the test inquiry, which is I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me the price and other details. So here IndiaMart has sent me the test lead detail, and here I have received all the details. Now this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMart is successful, and now whenever someone will send the query or I will receive a new lead, it will start showing in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive a new lead or the new inquiry, I want to send WhatsApp message. So then in my action application, I am going to use Pabbly Chat Flow, with the help of which I am going to send WhatsApp messages to my customers. And then in my action event, I am going to take this send call URL request. So Pabbly Chat Flow is a new product by Pabbly which will help businesses connect with their leads and customers. It automates messages on platforms like WhatsApp, and this will help to make the communication faster and more personal. So with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow, I am going to send automated WhatsApp message to all my IndiaMart inquiries and leads. So in order to send this automated WhatsApp message, we first have to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly Chat Flow account. And in order to do that, you simply have to add your WhatsApp number over here. You have to enter the access token, WhatsApp business account ID and the phone number ID. So to learn about this process step by step, I have attached a video in the I button, which you can check it out and learn how to do this. So in order to send these WhatsApp messages, we have to first create the template, and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I am going to click on this templates and then go to templates list. So in this templates section, you can see all the templates that have been created, and if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this add new template. Now under this new template, I have to first select the category. In this drop down, I can find all the categories. Here, let's say I just want to select this as marketing, and then I have to give the template name. So let's say the name of the template is IndiaMart 22, and then I have to select the template language. So let's say the language is this one, English UK, and then I have to select the template type. So I just want to enter the text, so I have selected text as my template type. And then in the template type, I just want to keep the text, so I'm going to select this as that. And this field, template header, is an optional field, so I'm going to skip this. If you want to enter, you can enter following this help desk. Now in the template format, you have to write the message in a way that you want to send. So let's say the message that we want to send is hello. So here I have entered a message. Hello, I hope you're doing well. I am reaching out to inquire about the event planning and service. And over here I have added a custom variable. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new lead. Now over here I have added a custom variable as the name of the lead. So whenever I will receive a new lead, this name will be changed and the message will be sent to that lead. Now let's say over here in this sample value, I want the name. So I've entered the name as demo. Now if we see the message, my message will appear like this. Hello demo, I hope you're doing well. I'm reaching out to inquire about the event planning and services that you offer. Now if you want to enter the template footer, you can enter. For now I am going to skip this, and in the interactive actions I want to select this as none, and after creating this you simply have to click on this submit. After which your template will be created, and then you have to click on this submit. Your template will be created in few seconds or few minutes, and then you have to create the broadcast for the same template. But for now I'm not going to submit this template because I have already created a template and a broadcast. So I'm going to skip this submission of the template. And after searching for my action application Pabbly Chatflow, I have selected my action event as send call URL request, and now I'm going to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we are going to follow this help desk given below. I'm going to click on this hyperlink so as to get the token, and over here it has taken me to this page, and I simply need to copy this API token and paste that API token over here, and then I simply have to click on this save. So here Pabbly Chatflow is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the body. So to get this, let's open my Chatflow account again. So here on the left hand side where I can see all these options, now I need to get the body, and for that I have to create the broadcast. And here I can see all the broadcasts that have been created. So now if you want to create a new broadcast, you have to click on this add broadcast button. And then you have to select the broadcast type. So I'm going to select this as API campaign, and then I have to enter the campaign name. So let's say the name is India Mart 22, and then I have to select the template here. And then I have to select the template here. So let me show you first the template that I'll be using. So I'll go to this template and then go to this templates list. So here this is the template by the name India Mart leads. Let's open this. Hello, and after hello a custom variable has been added, which is the name of the lead. Thank you for your interest in our product services through India Mart. We are thrilled to connect with you. So this is the template that we'll be using. So I'll go back to broadcast again, and then in this template I am going to select my template as India Mart leads. So over here you can see that this is the same template that we have just seen. Now after entering the broadcast type, campaign name and the template here, I am going to click on this add broadcast. So now my broadcast has been added, India Mart 22, and now to get the body I have to click on this test broadcast. And here I can see that I have been provided with the body, and now I'm simply going to copy this and paste this in my body field in Pabbly Connect. So over here I can see the destination, username and the body params. And over here destination is the number in which this WhatsApp message will be sent. So I'm first going to remove this WhatsApp number, and then I'm going to add the WhatsApp number of the lead that I have received in my previous response, which was India Mart. Now when I click on this field, I can see this India Mart, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now the phone number that we have received is this one, so I'm going to enter that. Now in the username, I have received the response for the name also. So I'm going to click on this India Mart and enter the username as this one. And I will follow the same process. And in first name, I'm going to remove this. And then I'm again going to enter the name as Prabhat. Now over here I have used a method called mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I have to click on the save and send test request. But before doing that, I am going to remove this number as this is a dummy phone number and enter my own WhatsApp number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message that will be sent. And now after adding my phone number, I am going to click on the save and send test request. Now here I can see that I have received the response. The result is true, and I am going to open my Pabbly Chatflow and check whether this message has been sent there or not. So now on the left hand side where I can see this option of inbox, I'll open this, and then I can see that I have sent the WhatsApp message a few seconds ago. So this is the same WhatsApp message that I have sent. Hello Prabhat, thank you for your interest in our product services through India Mart. We are thrilled to connect with you. So this is the same exact template and the broadcast that we have created in Pabbly Chatflow, and this message has been sent to the lead. So now to summarize, we took India Mart as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. With the help of this webhook URL, we sent the test lead detail from India Mart and received that response over here in this workflow. Then we wanted to send WhatsApp message to that lead, so we took Pabbly Chatflow as our action application, with the help of which we are going to send WhatsApp message. We entered the body after creating the broadcast, and then when we finally executed the workflow, we have sent the WhatsApp message successfully to this lead. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between IndiaMart and Pabbly chat flow with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.